What's happening, my people? So we're gonna try something different today. Try to use some natural light and stuff. It ain't the most light in the world. Shit's still kind of dark. But got this unboxing to do today. I was waiting on these. I thought they was gonna come Friday. Thought they was gonna come Saturday. End up not coming Saturday, so I was like, man, I know I gotta wait till Monday. I hate that. As a person that orders shoes and the sneakerhead and stuff, man, whenever your stuff, you think your stuff is coming that Saturday and it doesn't come, and you gotta wait till that Monday, that is torture. But got this box in, big box. So see what this live unboxing looking like. Why I decided to shoot like this shit. I was watching a Sneaker Life video. I like the way his videos look sometimes. Like just not overly processed. Like just shoot them. Got a better camera than me though. But let's jump in and see what. Okay. So got the newspaper on top of here. No lid. So there's no lid on the box. So that's fine. That's fine. Lebron's. Been looking forward to this, man. This is something. I seen me and my kicks do this video, and whenever he did these, I was like, man, those are nice. I really like those. So I didn't think I was gonna be getting these at any point. Got these for $100, man. It was $100 on eBay. There was $109. I offered like 90 something, just for the hell of it. Then they was like, they offered $100, and I was like, let me not waste these time, since I did offer 90 some dollars, man. Let me just, for a couple extra dollars, man, let me get that for $100, free shipping. But got these LeBron 3s. This is my first LeBron retros. So I wanted the ones. Those 7s are nice. I didn't like those at first. But after seeing everybody on their sneaker lists and stuff and they on foots and stuff, now I like those 7s, the blue ones, but not all the different colorways though. But these, I really like this colorway, man. This Houston Oilers colorway, man. This All-Star colorway. This is dope. It has that star in the back. So these are fly. I really like these joints, man. Shit. See the materials and stuff. I thought it was gonna be like more patent leather. It's just patent leather, like around here, and the toe, around the toe. So that's patent leather. I really like that LBJ right there. That's fire. That's fire right there. And I like the LeBron lace lock situation thing, cause it looks like it would be. Nah, it's not removable. But it moves, but it's not removable. I like that. See what this is. This is probably like a nubuck. Look kind of nubuck-ish. Yeah, I don't think it's no suede or anything, but it's very smooth material. That's nice. Got the leather on the front. Leather ain't bad. It's not bad. It's not like a tumble leather or anything, but it's soft. It's soft. It's not like a hard, harsh synthetic leather or anything. The quality on these things are good, man. I like this hit right here, reminiscent of the Jordan 11s, one of my favorite silhouettes. LeBron right there, come through, got that red check or that crimson look more like a crimson, like Alabama or something. I also like this full zoom unit. I think that's real dope. Well, it's full zoom, but it's not like it would be nice if this was like air. If this was air on here, this would be super cold. If this was like a whole air unit, like an Air Max or something, like kind of like the new LeBrons, but like just thinner. If this was air, that would be cold. I would like that. But it doesn't matter too much. Like the white laces, got them tips on there. Shit, got these laces, the red laces, the blue laces. I might stick to the white ones. I might just stick to the white laces, man. I might just stick to the white laces, man. But shit, I'm just admiring these things, man. These things are dope. I'm gonna do an on foot, show you a few different looks, and shit. Then just wrap it up. It don't pay for me to be like super in depth. They have a lot of reviews for these. These have been out for months, but I'm happy to get my hands on my first LeBron retro. LeBron is my favorite player. He ain't playing the best in the world. He putting up some solid numbers, man, but he not being aggressive enough for me. Like, man, he should be averaging 26 or something. He not only shooting, man, and his jumper is terrible this year, man. Like when he does shoot, brick city, and the free throws is trash. But anyways, get to these on feats. It's a wrap on the video. Another unboxing, another day. And I'm sure about to chill because my pockets is low. Low. Shit. But I am happy to have these in the collection, man. Shout out to whoever it was on eBay. I'm pretty sure they don't have a top on them, so they got them at the outlet. So your treasure, your find has ended up a treasure in my collection. Hopefully you got them for a cheap price. You made a couple dollars. But I only got them for 100, so shit, I don't know, man. You got them for maybe like 70 or something. eBay gonna tax you on the fees, so I don't think they probably came out even, or maybe lost some money or something. But anyways, I'm happy to have them. But like, comment, subscribe. Don't be the greatest or the most hated, man. Try to bring y'all content consistently. Shit, number one, subscribe, and watch my videos. Subscribe, watch, comment, like, dislike, engage. Shit, holla at your boy, man. I do respond. But shit, peace out.